The fringe foot is used to create loopy surface texture with a faux chenille appearance. The fringe foot has a long, raised metal bar in the center front. This raised bar allows more thread into the stitch as you sew, producing long, loose stitches. The large opening at the back of the foot allows the long stitch loops to pass freely through the foot. Remove the machine's presser foot and presser foot holder. Attach the fringe foot to the machine, securing it with a screwdriver. Creating fringe for surface texture can be done two different ways, either with the loops intact or with the loops cut after the stitching for an eyelash effect. To sew fringe with the loops intact, you can use a zigzag stitch. You can do a single row or do multiple rows for a more dramatic effect. To create eyelash fringe, set the machine for an overedge stitch. The locking stitches at the side will hold the threads in place after trimming the loops. For the most dramatic results, use a heavyweight thread and a needle with a larger eye to accommodate the larger thread weight. Fringe embellishment is great for garments, quilts, and craft projects.